A medico-legal autopsy report compiled 3 days after the murder of Joburg teacher Kirsten Kluyts in George Lee Park in Sandton, South Africa, has been read into the court record by the 20-year-old man charged with murder and rape. The autopsy report reveals no injuries such as lacerations or abrasions on Kluyts' genitalia, suggesting she was not raped. The autopsy also reveals Kluyts was over 3 months pregnant and expecting a baby boy at the time of her death. The accused, who initially was charged with murder, insists he is innocent and stumbled upon Kluyts' body after she was already dead. The 21-year-old varsity college student is testifying in the Alexandra Regional Court for a third day in a bail application. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell so that you know when I have the next summarized latest news.